Good morning, students. Today is June 29th. This is Math 2008, and this is our last class before exam two. So the study guide is here. Remember, all exams are cumulative. So let's go read it. The sections we will cover are 1.1, 1.2, 2.2, 2.3. These two sections are about sets. And chapter 4 is about fractions, three sections from chapter 4. And chapter 6 is about, I think chapter 6 is about fractions, and chapter 4 is about number theory, LCM, GCD. It really doesn't matter. These are the sections we will cover, and I don't think there should be etc. here. Okay, just those sections. There will be about 23 problems. You will get 2 hours to complete them, and make sure you take the test on July 3rd. Okay. And the study guide for exam one is still available in the bottom, but you can pretty much ignore it. The homework problems are going to be, the test problems are going to be very similar to the homework problems. So before you take the test, make sure you do the homework problems. So we're going to have a short class. And since our exam is in the next class, uh, again, we don't meet with each other. I don't record any videos on July 3rd. I'll meet you on the 5th of July. Another important thing, our video will be a little short today. I will do a couple of fraction set problem from 2.3 for you guys. Let's work on them. So grab this problem. This is an example from your book. I'm going to do two examples from your book, okay? It says use set notation to describe the shaded region. Okay, so remember guys, from last class, we can say this, we are doing part A first. How would I describe part A? Part A, the green part on the left is simply A minus B. So let's write it down. Of course, it is complement of B with regard to A if you want to be really formal, but we'll just say A minus B. Okay, and we're going to work on it. And the right-hand side, the crescent, on the right-hand side is called B minus A. Is called B minus A. Now, you're taking them together, so it has to be union. Now, is that the only way you can do it? Not really. There are multiple ways you can do it, and I'll show you how else you can represent part A. Here is another version of part A. It is A union B union C. Sorry, there's no C. A union B minus A intersection B. A intersection B. So both are correct. Okay. All right. So that's A. All right. I don't need a lot of stuff here. I know it's being recorded. So I'm going to erase it and I'm going to work on B. So what is B? B is, now A and C are disjoint. I don't think that's an issue here. Part B is A intersection B and B intersection A taken together. A intersection B and B intersection A taken together. A intersection B and B intersection C taken together. What's taken together? It's union. You put them all together in the same pot. That's the most basic one that most of us will come up with. Okay. I'm sure you can. I don't know how else you can do it. Maybe you can actually do it in multiple ways, but this is the most obvious one. All right, let's work on part C. Right? C is not really that difficult. No. C can be done in multiple ways, but I would just say C is take a look at B union C. B union C is going to be this, all of this. If I subtract B union C from A, I'll get what's shaded green. So A minus B union C will take care of it. All right, that's part C. Part D is a little tricky, okay? I'll see how I can do it. Now, this part, the little triangle in the middle, is A intersection B intersection C. That's there. What's the remaining shaded area? Well, you can write it as A union C minus B. You can write it as that. A union C minus B. Now, you have to, this is the first part, okay? The big section right here. I've addressed this. Okay, I have to incorporate the middle part, the central part. How do I do that? Well, not too difficult. I can say that part is A intersection B intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. And I will put them together because it's a union of those two sets. So that's D. That takes care of it. Once again, these problems can be answered in multiple ways, but I have given you one answer for most of them. I think for part A, I have given you two. Or for a couple of them, I've given you two. All right, moving on, bringing the next question. Okay, this one also involves a three-set Venn diagram, so be a little patient. It's an example from your book, and I'll see how I can do it. Now it's hard to read, but let's put it here. Actually, it's not a bad place to put it. All right, guys, so I have to make a three-set Venn diagram. Let me see if I can grab it from my hard drive. That'll save us a little bit of time. Okay, three-set Venn diagram. All right, right here. Now, what do I have here? I have physics, biology, and math. I'm going to read it in a second. I'm going to just write P, then B, and then M. All right. Now remember, guys, last class we said when you're talking about set problems, the word only means a lot. 25 took physics. That means these four parts of the physics circle should add up to 25. Okay. Don't put 25 in any one of the spots. 45 took biology. Again, the biology circle, the four parts of the biology circle should add up to 45. 48 took mathematics. The four parts inside the mathematics circle should add up to 48. 10 took physics and math. This football that's shared by math and physics should add up to 10. The football that's shared by both biology and mathematics should add up to 8. The football shared between physics and biology should add up to 6. Now, 5 took all three subjects. That's very important, okay? I'm going to put 5 now in the middle. That's extremely important that you have to understand from the center. All right, now what's the next one? Now you can go outward. Now I'm going to go work with the sixth statement that says 6 took physics and biology. Physics and biology has to be 6, so this has to be 1. Now the word only is missing. It doesn't say 6 took physics and biology only. Some of these 6 people took mathematics as well. 8 took biology and mathematics. 8 took biology and mathematics. So this has to be 3. 8 took biology and mathematics. So this has to be 3. 10 took physics and math. So this has to be 5. 10 took physics and math. This has to be 5. Now, very carefully, if 25 took physics, I have accounted for 11 of these people. I have to put 14 here. 14, 15, 25. That works. The physics circle is taken care of. 45 took biology. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 45 minus 9 is 36. 36 took only biology. I'm going to check if it makes any sense. 36, 45 took biology. 36 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 is 40. 36, 37, 38, 40, 45. That sounds about right. All right, 48 took math. So how many goes here? 48 minus 10. 10 is 38. 38 minus 3 is 35. So I'm going to put 35 here. Okay, now I have to put the number of people who didn't took any of these 3 subjects. That should be adding all the numbers inside the 3 circles, and I will do it carefully. I don't want to mess it up. Um, give me 1 second. All right, so let's see how we can do it. So right here, I'm going to add all the numbers inside the 3 circles. And I do know 14, 15, 20, 25 took physics. So the physics circle is 25. It's from the top, and I can verify it. That's 25 from here. Then I'm going to add 35 plus 3. Then I'm going to add 36. I'm getting 99. Now, 110 people were surveyed. From 110, if I subtract 99, I am going to get 11. 11 goes here. 11 goes here. And that's important that when you fill out the Venn diagram, you find the number that goes outside. What do they want me to find? Now, I do have the answer from your book because this is an example. I'm going to quickly bring it here just to make sure I didn't mess up too bad. 553, 35, 36. That looks about right. Now I can delete it. Now I can answer these questions. How many students took biology, but neither physics or not nor mathematics? That means they only took biology. I'm going to say 36 right here. So A is going to be 36. How many took physics, biology, or math? So remember, guys, the word or and, or means union. It's the union of everything. And 2 seconds ago, we tested when you add all the numbers inside the 3 circles, it should still be here. You should get 99. So 99 took either biology or physics or mathematics. So I'm going to put 99 right around here. And how many did not take any of the 3 subjects? That's clearly 11. All right, guys. So that's all I have for you guys today. Do the homework problems again, practice them, and do well on the exam. Do take the exam on time. I won't be able to change the date. It is offered on the 3rd of July. And take it and do well. Take care and bye-bye.